Welcome guys in our Python tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create our first program. So first of all I am assuming that you have installed Jupyter Notebook on your machine as I did. So I have opened my Jupyter Notebook home page. So first of all I am going to create a new program page. You can see a new program page is open for you. If you want to give a name to it, then you can do that. So first of all guys, we are going to print some messages for you. So print welcome to our Python tutorial. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just want to execute this command, this program line. So just press on alt and press enter. Then you can see the output is coming here. So here we are going to learn more about the variables and string and integer variables. So first of all you should know that Python is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means there is no need to provide the data type of a variable. Like as, so first of all we are going to create a variable num equal to 24 and num1 equal to 4. So I'm going to print these numbers num comma num1. So output these numbers num minus num1, then do this. If multiply them, then just if I want to divide num by num1, then this is the output. So here we are going to our string variables. So in numeric values you can see there is no need to provide single quotes or double quotes surrounded the num value, but in string f name equal to Ryan, so I am providing single quotes from the starting and end of the value, and l name last name equal to Ryan, last name equal to Arjun. Okay, if I want to add both numbers like full name, so I am going to create third variable and create and saying that f name plus space plus l name. Okay, and I want to print this variable value that full. Okay, and just execute this. Now you can see, so you can see that if you are provide the numeric value, then there is no need of single quotes or double quotes, but if you are working around the string values, then you need to provide single quotes or double quotes. So guys, you can see it is very easy to learn a Python, and we are providing very simple steps to you, so you can learn the same. And if you have any question, any queries, you can provide your comments in our YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels, because we are coming with more videos on Python as well as R and other technologies also. So thank you for